Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with Andrew today.
Hello.
And we're going to be playing Zombs Royale, but there's a twist. Right?
We can only use pistols.
Yep, we can only use pistols. So Andrew, you don't have to speak up because the phone's right next to my phone. Oh, Andrew, I got a daily gift too, so. Ooh, I got a cowboy outfit. Let's see. I have two.
Yeah, I'm inviting you.
Yep, so we're going to do 3 rounds of only pistols, so let's get ready.
Let's see if we can do this.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, right up. And by the way, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe.
Yep.
So this game's actually really fun, and Andrew and me are pretty good at it, huh? You think we're pretty good?
We're decent.
Better than average, because you usually get some fork fails around.
Let's go here. Oh
Yeah.
no, let's go actually here.
No, because dude, we can only pick up pistols. Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Lucky Lake. Dude, we gotta find a pistol. And the bad thing, we can't use pistol. We can't use a weapon until we get pistol. Did you get a pistol? Oh yeah, then heals and grenades and stuff. The only gun we can use is nope, can't use it. Come on. Oh,
Can't use any of this stuff.
Come on.
Okay, of course there's a guy there.
No, run! Come on, let's go find a pistol.
Owen, come to me.
Yes, grenades. I got grenades. We can use grenades. Oh.
So,
Oh my gosh. You have a pistol?
no.
Oh wait, yes! Yes, pistol! Where? Ah!
Oh, and I have more for you.
Wait, you have a pistol? Ah, oh! Woo! I'm so low! Guys, if you do not drop me... Wait, are those pistols?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let's read. I don't know if those are pistols. Wait, can you drop one?
Oh my gosh. I only have
Drop!
one.
Oh wait, you only have one. I thought you said you have more.
I did, but I dropped them because I thought that it was you. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Dude, that only pistol. That's hard.
I think I know where we have to do every time, okay?
We gotta go. Yeah, we just gotta keep going Lucky Lake and hope we get a pistol.
No, I think all we have to do. Let's go.
Here, wait, farm.
Trust me, we're going here, Space Marine.
We're not going.
Yeah, you're immediately.
Are you sure, dude?
Positive.
Dude, we can only use pistols. We do not want to get in fights.
I know. But we go really far. Space Marine.
Oh, you're right. Because everybody who's gonna drop is immediately gonna go to Wild West.
Yeah, just go inside the houses. That's where you'll best get all your...
Boom, boom, boom. Go. Alright, I'm in space. Pistol?
Oh,
Nope.
I got one.
We are not gonna cheat in this, by the way.
Yeah.
Uncommon pistol. Okay, drink my shield up. Let's see.
Use
Yeah, no, we can only use like guns, is what I mean.
we can only use guns.
Yeah. No.
Oh, come on.
No, we can use grenades. I meant like guns. We can only use pistol guns. The rest is fine.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Need some help? I need some help.
Back all the... Oh my gosh, I don't want to leave this behind, but I have to.
What is it, Andrew?
Look, come to me.
Oh god, I'm scared. Remember, you can't use it. Ooh, yellow rocket launcher.
Oh wait, there's somebody in here.
Yep, RPG.
Oh, here. He's right in here. Oh wait, what? I heard it. Doors open and close.
Let's go in circle real quick. so mad when they kill us because we're pretty sweaty at this game, I get. And we're kind of hard to beat, and we're only gonna drop pistols. They'll be like, "What? Wait, Andrew, there's 21 people left." Andrew, here, take it.
It's actually doable. Oh my gosh.
That's
I'll be
just...
surprised.
Oh, I really want to take that.
I really want to take everything.
Yeah, dude. I feel like I have 0 kills. Should we just camp in here?
I found another one, but it's not that good.
Another what? Ooh, PTO.
Oh god.
What?
Somebody in there. There's somebody in there.
Look at all these good... Oh! You're a nerd.
Hey, Alan. Oh my gosh.
What?
Let's go.
Wait, did you use a shotgun, Andrew?
No, he just blew himself up.
Oh. Oh my god, and look at his guns! We would be stacked! Andrew, just take this right here.
Wait, no.
You don't need... Oh, wait, I can't hold that. Sorry, guys. I'm not trying to cheat. Can't... Give me it.
My entire thing. This is what I have. Oh,
Ow! Got him! Oh my... He's got a mythic sniper.
oh my god.
If we win this... Don't die, Andrew. You got a lot of shield. You can do this. Get him! Yes! Oh, wait. Forgot we can't take it.
Drop that.
Oh, God. Wait. Andrew, I need shield. Do you have anything?
That's just all I have.
Oh, yes. Thank you.
That's all I have, though. Oh my gosh. I want to use that so
If we win this... Wait, just scroll for your inventory to prove. Oh, wait, no.
So that's going through.
Okay, good. We're safe. And look, and you guys can actually see my inventory, so that doesn't even matter. But anyway, Andrew, look what I have. Buttons.
Oh, let's go over here, see if we can get a mythic pistol.
Mythic pistol time! Wait, no, let's bait people.
Come on.
We could have bait. Andrew, can I have that? I'm lower than you.
But okay, fine.
Yeah. We are not. I was just about to.
There's somebody in there.
I wish other people were doing it. Okay, wait. 5 people left, Andrew. Wait, no, you need stuff. Use that med kit. I'll guard.
Let's just stay in here and then we can spray them when they come in.
Wait, no, if they have a rocket launcher, we're done. Ah!
It doesn't matter.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
I told you, Andrew! Bandages right here, bandages. Come over here. Let's go in here, Andrew. This is a better spot. No.
Oh, that was so close.
Alright, we'll do one more time. Yeah, isn't it? You know those raid weapons, Andrew? The orange ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Oh wait, Wild West? I thought we were going cloudy. Like literally, I only get this. me. Res me. And this is our last round. We're doing bad. I have heals for you. Dang. Guys, we could not do a pistol only challenge.
We got fourth.
Fourth place. We got fourth is our best. Yeah. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, bye.